YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you with another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. I cannot do that without you guys. We're going to talk about some Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some Ethereum. I got to let you know too, I'm not a financial advisor. It's not financial advice. Just the homie Crypto J. And we just talking about some Bitcoin today. So again, if you like it, hit that like, hit that subscribe. As you guys can see, market cap coming in at a 2.9 today. Our fear greed index is coming in at a 53, and we're starting to see a little bit of sell-off in the market. As you guys can see, Bitcoin now coming in at a 94.2, right? Are we starting to see the weekend cool off, right? It's pretty normal actually that we would see this type of price action in the weekend. Usually we'll see real price action usually happens on a Thursday, Friday, because again, Friday the market closes, and then again sometimes we see a little bit of sell-off going into the weekend. Every once in a while we'll see a fake out early in the week, but generally again new real price action happens around Thursday, Friday. So that's kind of what I'm paying attention to. One thing that I'm really trying to make sure that we can do on Bitcoin and on Ethereum is continue to create these higher lows, right? We do have to continue to hold this 94K zone, because as you guys could see on some of these more smaller time intervals, we are starting to form a wedge here. So this could be a bullish pattern if we are able to again stay above this 94K range. Let's see kind of what the rest of the market's saying. As you guys could see, 3.8 million people have voted on this poll on CoinMarketCap. 82% of them bullish, 18% bearish, 2.6 million people following. But let's see what some of these people are saying. Some people saying BTC a small window to accumulate before 200K. I do think that a $200,000 Bitcoin is definitely possible. If you think that's possible, hit that like button or let us know in the comment section below, right? As you guys can see, BTC holding strong. Somebody said I'm bullish on BTC. Seems like the majority of the sentiment is looking good, which is actually kind of what we need right now. We need some bullish sentiment. We have been sitting super low on the fear greed index, guys, for the past now couple weeks, but as you guys could see, we're starting to build back up. We were literally at 17 and now all the way up at 53. Just so you guys could see kind of what that looks like over here. It looks like a big parabolic run, right? Again, we were in the red. We haven't been in this level of fear since 2023, guys. You guys could see as far back as you could see on this, the lowest we went is orange. I was telling you guys that we were in an accumulation zone down here. This seems like it was not the end of the cycle, but an accumulation zone. And that's what I was saying, right? And then sure enough, every time we've pumped up. Also letting you guys know in November when we were oversold, right? Well, guess what, guys? Are we going to see something a little bit more like maybe this, right? Where we're doing a lot of this type of stuff, or are we just going to see a more quicker recovery, something maybe a little bit closer to this? You guys could see this recovery just took about 2 months. This recovery, on the other hand, it took a good while, right? It seems like we started finding this middle area in April, and then we did recover fully until August. So again, are we going to see a longer recovery? We're going to see a shorter recovery. That's kind of what I want to know. Let's go check out some Ethereum too, because again, Ethereum is a coin that we've been paying attention to. Ethereum is literally at a point where this thing is either going to want to explode soon, or it's going to want to capitulate soon, because as you guys could see, the price volume that has been going through Ethereum lately has been pretty good, but the price volume that has been going through Ethereum on the year has not been very good, guys. We have been creating bear flag after bear flag on Ethereum, and a lot of people have been a little bit concerned about Ethereum. You can see 80% of people still bullish, right? 20% of people bearish, 1.2 million votes. But the latest stuff, let's see what people are saying. $17,000 Ethereum pretty soon. I'm feeling bullish on crypto, especially with ETH showing strong momentum. I do think a healthy ETH will be important for a lot of coins, and especially for stuff on the base chain too. So I do think with, you know, base chain growing, I do think that ETH definitely has a place. I feel like it's just being super suppressed right now. Let me know if you guys think that ETH is being suppressed. You guys could see a lot of people saying the same thing. ETH is sleeping right now. Somebody said whales dumping 63K Bitcoin. ETH is going to crash to 13. And that's honestly, well, he put 63, but I said my price prediction for Bitcoin was 68. That's what I was saying. And then my price prediction for Ethereum was actually around 1100 or 1200. But I do still feel bullish on it. I just want to clarify that I'm still bullish on Ethereum. I think that cryptocurrency, again, has not topped out for 2025. I do think that we're making a good recovery so far with Bitcoin. Again, we have to hold that 94 range to start bouncing off. But can Ethereum see more sell-off? That's really what we want to know. As you guys could see, it's been kind of bear flag after bear flag. You can see this flagpole forming, and then this flag. We drop down, flagpole, flag, and again, look, flagpole with a flag. Are we going to start capitulating some more? Definitely concerned over ETH. We want to see this thing making more of a round pattern. Somebody said once 1500 held, I jumped in long, always had a plan to follow it. Interesting. Somebody said next target 1810. Bullish on it. Interesting. What do you guys think? Are you bullish on ETH? Are you bearish on ETH? It seems like, again, we're seeing some crazy volatility in this market today. But ultimately, guys, the market is unknown. As you guys can see, ETH is coming in at 217 billion market cap, but the 24-hour volume is down 21%. Again, total 24-hour volume in the cryptocurrency space is kind of down today, just because, again, the market's seeing a little bit of a dip due to the weekend. And we do, again, see the majority of the price action happen later in the week. So we'll see if Ethereum can make the heroic comeback that everybody wants to see. Again, I'm bullish on it. I already told you guys my price prediction on ETH. I think it'll at least, I mean, I think I could see ETH hitting at least 8K in 2025. I know that sounds crazy, but I do think that if we could break above some of these higher levels here, ETH can really start sending. And again, if we could break above this, maybe we could see another, 50-60% gain on top of that. But it's going to depend on the market, guys. It's going to depend on the sentiment. As you guys could see, ETH has just been very suppressed this year. So I'm curious to know how long these whales can suppress ETH. Are they suppressing due to the fact that they are waiting for a lot more of these ETFs to come out so that they can really pump this thing to the moon? Is ETH going to be something that a lot of countries are going to be buying? Like, a lot of countries are looking at Bitcoin. Are we going to see a lot of countries looking at Ethereum? When will these countries start seeing value in DeFi? I feel like it's just a matter of time, guys. We've been telling you guys that this entire cryptocurrency space is smaller than Apple stock right now. It's still coming in at a 2.96 trillion. And honestly, guys, I feel like this space can be very big. The stock market is over 93 trillion. So I feel like we're so early in crypto that people really don't understand. I do think that Ethereum definitely has a place. Ethereum is definitely battle tested, in my opinion. Been trading now for 10 years, and this thing has been #2 since I can remember. So the top 3 have changed, right? It was Litecoin before, and then all kinds of coins have been at this, up in this top 5, but 2 coins that have kind of remained in the top have been Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'm curious to know if anything can flip Ethereum. I did kind of give a prediction that we might see XRP be a contender at flipping Ethereum this cycle. But again, that's all speculative, guys. I want to know what you think. Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.